Welcome guys to another edition of Ms. Berryman's Tech Help. So I wanted to show you something I learned today that I want to thank Ms. Gray for teaching me how to do, and I thought it'd be great to share it with you guys. I'm going to do it in the practice course though, because clicking on the things that we need, it's going to show student information and I'm not comfortable putting that on the internet. So what this video is all about is you are able to see what students haven't done the assignments. And when you see the students that haven't done it, finished the assignment or submitted it or completed it, you are able to send a message to all of them at once saying like, hey, you haven't submitted this. So instead of going one by one to a student, you can kind of do it all at once. So like if you say if it's Friday and you notice they still haven't done lesson 1 yet and they should be on lesson 4, then you can say, hey, what's going on? And it's an easy way to even see like, do you need the tech help? What can I do to help you? So you would go to grades. And this is, of course, the practice course. I just made one assignment for this. And normally you would see your students on this side and their grades on this side. Let's say you see your students and there are no kids that haven't signed it. So you would go here and you would click Message Students Who. When you clicked that, you would say the students who haven't submitted it yet. You could say even the students that have scored less than, so let's say it's 5 points and they scored less than 3, you could message all of those to be like, hey, I need you to resubmit. So for those that haven't been submitted, you could type your quick message. If I had students assigned in my practice course, their names would show up right here, so you could see also who it was at a quick glance. And then you would type your message, send your message, and be on with it. But I thought it would be a quick way, and it's an easier way to be able to get a hold of all of those students at one time, especially with as many students we have in this course. I hope that helps. Have a great afternoon. Bye, guys.